Hey guys, this is uh, like POTD of lead code problem. Find the student that will replace the chalk. So we have to find the students who will replace the chalk. So this statement says that we have a number of students and we have a chalk. We have k number of chalks, and these n number of students take uh, the these chalks, and we have to find which student actually replaced this chalk. So here 5 and 5 and 22. And this is the second test case. I am taking the second test case. So 3, 4, 1, 2 is an array. So which is this represents the chalks and this represents its indexes, array indexes. Okay. And we have how many chalks? 22 chalks. Okay. We have 22 chalks. Okay. First, we have to find. Uh, this is just the brute force method. First, let me discuss the brute force method. First student is 3, so he has to take the chart which has to be greater than 3, or like which he has to be taken the greater than 3 chart. So 22 minus 3 is equal minus 3 equal to 70. Actually 18, 19. So now the number of sharks is 90, and we covered for first student 0. So array indexes are 0, right? So 0. And for second student, so which is equal to 19 minus 4, which is equal to 15 for uh, first index student, because he has to take the chalk which has to be greater than and chalk I, which is nothing but 4. And for third student, this has to take the chart which has to be greater than size 1 for third student. Okay. And for fourth student, uh, he has to take is equal to 1. So 3. So for, and then again after completing the students up to n minus 1, we have to um, uh, iterate. We have to go back to the friend, and we have to go back to the 0th index and we'll start iterating. Then we get here our chalks are 12. So 3 minus 12. So first we get 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3, which is equal to 9. And then 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. And 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. And 4 minus, I mean 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Now after completing the second iteration, this is second iteration, I mean second time we actually run the chart piece. Okay. And then we got k is equal to 2. Okay. Now this now k is equal to 2. Now we have to again iterate from the loop. So uh, here it is 3. The student size is 3, and we uh, but the chart size is 2, which is so the student who is at 0th index has to be replaced with chart, right? So let's see. Oh, 1th index. How 22 k is equal to 22. Okay. Sorry, I'm taking the number of charts is equal to 22, but here it is 25. So the answer is one. The answer is 1th index here, but this is the brute force approach. I think you understand. Instead of for this, we have to write for loop uh, for entire charts, and then we have to reduce the chalk I, a chalk uh, we have to reduce the chalk to the we have to reduce the chalk to the current student position. Okay. uh, we have to do this until chalk has to be 0, uh, where the chalk has to be 0, or where the student at particular index is actually greater than the chalk. We have to return that index. Okay, so this is what he told. Instead of doing the brute force approach, if we thought we get an idea, these students are total n students, and these sharks are equal to 22. Then, so and if you divide k by n, so what we got? Uh, we got k remainder by n. So like nothing but if you say here is k is equal to 22 or 10, 11. So here 11 is equal, n is equal to 11. 11 students are there, and they are k chalks, which is nothing but 20. I'm sorry, total chalks are 22, and there are 11 students. So if these 11 students actually take each chalk of 22, then we got 2, isn't it? So it iterates two successful loops, and then as it successfully divided, k is I mean it is now k is equal to 0. So when the k is equal to 0, uh, from the starting position, we have to find, and for what value of k, for what value of chalk I, the k is actually lesser than. So here for fifth position, so here 5 is lesser than 0. I mean 5 is greater than 0. Sorry. We have to find the position of the chalk by comparing that position the value with the k. So here 5 compared to 0, as 5 is greater than. So we have to retain that 5 value. I mean that index value. So here 0th index actually replace the chalk. So that's what we are done here. So for that we have to find the chalk size, and then for that we have to know what are how many are the students are left. So for that I'm taking the for loop to calculate the size of the chalk. So then now here I get s is equal to 11. So for this one, and now I have to know how many iterations are successfully made until the k dot has to be 0. So while k greater than or equal to s, 22 greater than or equal to 11. So I have to reduce that first. So here k is equal to 0 after performing this operation. So and then we have to find index. At what index chunk of I is greater than k. So as 5 is greater than k, so we have to return that index. Okay. So I don't understand this. So if it is not, the student that index student has successfully taken the chalk, and then the chalk has reduced that uh, the size uh, uh, the size which was taken by the student. So this line represents that. Okay, I think you understand. Let's submit this. I actually followed another method.